Hello guys, welcome to a new English lesson on the YouTube channel Easy English with Lubna. In this lesson, you'll be learning the present perfect continuous. Let's get started. The verb formula of the present perfect continuous consists of the use of the verb to have, which is either have or has, and the past participle of the verb to be, which is been, and the main verb finally in the ing form. He has been reading a science fiction novel. They have been dancing since the beginning of the party. Use. The present perfect continuous is used to express an action that started at a certain point in the past and still happening or still happening until now. Such as Anne has been doing housework since morning. The second use is to express an action that has recently or just finished. And the present perfect continuous shares this use in common with the present perfect simple. So you could use either the present perfect continuous or the present perfect simple to indicate an action that has recently or just finished. Examples: I have recently been painting my sleeping room. Or I have just been finishing my new book writing. The only difference, or before we discuss the difference between recently and just, I want to tell you that both of the sentences have similar meanings, but the only slight difference is that recently means not long time ago, and the action happened earlier than the one modified by the adverb just. Just indicates that the action happened a short time ago, but later than the one modified, not indicated, but later than the one modified by the adverb recently. Note: some verbs cannot be in the ing form or verb form, so they almost never be used in the present perfect continuous, such as see, think, hear, etc. And these verbs are called state or stative verbs. And if you search on my YouTube channel videos, you can find a video about these verbs. They are called again state or stative verbs. Examples or example: she has been here for 10 minutes. Though 10 minutes or for 10 minutes is a continuing period of time, the verb or the main verb here, which is the verb to be, is not used in the ing form. Why? Because it's a stative verb that can't be or that never occurs with the ing at the end or in the ing form at the end. Now let's study adverbs accompany or used to indicate the presence of the present perfect continuous. So adverbs accompany present perfect continuous. This title means the adverbs that are used to indicate the presence of the present perfect continuous in a sentence. The first one is recently or lately, which means not long time ago. Just means a short time ago. Already means before the present time or earlier than the time expected, such as Tom has already been cooking our lunch meal for 20 minutes. We didn't expect that he started doing the action 20 minutes ago, but in fact he did it. This is the meaning of already. Since used, or this is the use of already in the present perfect continuous. Since means or used with a finished certain point in the past, such as since 1994, since June, since her last birthday, etc., to indicate that the action started uh, at a certain point in the past and still continuous until now. For is used also with the present perfect continuous to indicate an action that started in the past and is still continuous until now. But the difference between since and for is that for is used with periods of time began in the past and still continuing up to now. Periods, not a fixed or certain point in the past, such as a year, month, or a day. So a period of time is like 14 years, days, months, weeks, etc. That's it all for this lesson. I hope you guys have learned something new and good. Please, before leaving, write your comments in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.